Why does Cash App take money when you receive? Now, whenever you're receiving some amount of money on Cash App and then you're worried that some Cash App is gonna take it, and then maybe you also find them within your activity that Cash App has taken some amount of fee. Now, Cash App typically doesn't deduct money from your account when you receive money, so when you receive funds. However, if a fee is taken when receiving money on Cash App, it's most likely because you used a credit card to send the payment, which incurs a processing fee charged by Cash App to the sender, not the receiver. Essentially, the sender is paying the fee that gets deducted from the amount you receive. So that is the reason why it happens. Other options like bank transfer and everything is completely free, but if you have actually linked a card in this case, and when you've linked a card and you're trying to transfer from card, then that's when you'll find that option. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.